Hello children, welcome to our online class children. Once again we are back with something new to learn in English. Children, asking questions and giving answers are the basic things of a conversation in English and any language. Especially when you all want to talk well in English, you should know to ask a question correctly. And you should also know to answer that question correctly. So children, in our today's lesson, we are going to learn how you can ask the right question in English, and while you talk to someone, while you want to ask a question to someone, what do you need? We need the right question word. So children, what are the different question words that we use in our conversation? They are who, what, when, where, how and why. So today let us learn how we can choose the right question word in order to ask a question correctly. Okay, so children, let us first go to the question word who, W-H-O, who. Now, who is used when I want to know about a person, or it is used when I want to know about people. Like for example, who is the best football player in the world, or who is your teacher, or who is that man behind the mask. So generally the question word who is used, or it is used to refer to a person or people. Okay, now the next question word is what. Now, what is used, children, only for specific things or objects. If I want to know about a thing, like what is your surname, what are you doing, like special things, if you want to know, you use the question word what do you want for dinner. Now the next question word is when. Now when is the question word which is used if you want to know the time, if you want to know the moment, the occasion, or especially the time. It is used to refer to a time or any occasion. Like when does the store open? When is your birthday? When are you going to finish your work? So it generally refers to a time. Okay. Now the next question word is where. Where means it is used if you want to know the position or a place of a person or thing. Like where is the library? Where do you live? Where can I buy lunch near you? Or where is your school? So it generally refers to a place or a location. Now the next question word is how. Now how means if I want to know the way something is done, or if I want to know the description of something or the way it is done, I use the question word how. Means how are you feeling today? How did you do this sum? Or how do you go to school? Right, children? Now the next question word is why. Now why is used to know the reason or the explanation. It is used if you want an explanation about something. Why is the window open? Why are they always late? Okay. So children, I hope you all understood where you have to use the right question word. Now children, I would like to show you all a small video where this concept will become more clearer to you all. Okay. So children, please watch it carefully, and then we will do a couple of exercises also.